guys! In this video, I'll show you how to get Sims 4 packs for free on iOS and Android in any country of the world. This will allow you to get packs you want, and you will be able to generate code and download any pack you want. I'll show you guys the easiest way to download it, and the best part is that it's free and instant. So let me show you guys first that the app works. So as you can see, I can open it, and it says also that it comes with all DLC for The Sims 4. So as you can see, I will select one and click Generate Code. This is only possible with our Generator Code app, which I will show you in this video. Alright, so now that I showed you guys the app and that it works, I will now show you guys all how to download the app onto your iOS or Android device very easily and fast. But before I show you guys how to install it, if you're on iOS or an iPhone device, we have to change some settings in our phone really quick before you can download it. If you're on Android, you don't have to change any settings. Only iOS devices have to make the changes. So first, go into your battery settings and make sure low power mode is turned off. This is very important and can mess up the install if you leave it on. After we get the app, you can revert all your settings back to normal. So don't worry, it's just for the install. Then, after you guys turn off low power mode, go into general settings. Then find background app refresh option and make sure you have it turned on to Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data. It cannot be off. If it's off, it can also mess up the install. Okay, anyways guys, we are all good to go and now ready to get our app installed. So what you guys have to do is very simple. On your iOS or Android device, go to this website called rizbuild.com.
This site has a bunch of tweaked apps and games that we can download for free without needing a jailbreak or anything complicated. So once you're on the site, go to the search bar on the site and type in Sims 4 Code Generator. Now tap the green install button on the site, and now it will start to load. Just wait for it to load to 100%. Now if you're on iOS, once it gets to 100%, it will load something like this. It'll say, do you want to download the configuration profile? Just tap allow, and then to find it you're going to go into your settings. And by the way, if you're on Android, your install will be a bit different. And I'll explain that after I'm done explaining the iOS install instructions. Anyways, just go over to your settings on your iPhone, and you should now see a pop-up saying Profile Download. Click that, and just allow it to install. Then it will appear on your home screen as the full app. Once it's on your home screen, go ahead and open the app up. Now before you're going to be able to use the app, you have to finish by installing the last 3 plugin files. So you will see something like this pop up. So before you can use the full app, you will have to complete 3 plugins from the list. Basically, for the app to fully run and load, it needs this, and it is required for the app to work. But it's simple, you just tap the app or plugin and read the instructions, and do exactly as it says. Then, once you've done 1, you go back and do 2 more, because you have to do 3 for it to count. But some of them are really easy, like this TikTok one. That wants us to just download the app and run it for 30 seconds. Some of them also have different instructions, like this Travel Town 1 Oz, where it wants us to complete a task in the game and get to like a certain level. But whatever plugin file you choose, just make sure you do exactly as the instructions say, and do 3 of them. If you see less than 3 and only see 2 or 1, then only do 2 or 1, as you can't do $3, and the system will know automatically and still give you access to the app EA, so don't worry. Also guys, if your apps or plugin files look different than mine, like they're different apps or whatever, that's fine as well. It sometimes changes depending on like your location and stuff. But once you complete the instructions of all 3, then it will remove this page, and the full app will finally load, and you can now use it. In this case, we will now have full access to the Sims 4 Code Generator. If you're on Android, instead of it downloading an iOS profile, it will just take you to the last step page automatically, and you just do the same thing with completing the last 3 plugin files. And then once completed, the app will appear on your home screen of your Android device automatically. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.